Bonjour Stéphanie. So today we are here to answer your question about j'étais and j'ai été. J'étais, j'ai été. What would be the difference or what would be the differences? Well, it is, like I like to say, it is very simplex. It is simple and complex at the same time. But first of all, let's talk about the usual uses of j'étais and j'ai été. Then we'll get into like that big difference I think you are referring to. So first of all, j'étais is habit. Okay, just think of it as habit. In French, habitude. Things you used to do. Thing you used to do. Okay, habitude. Exemple, j'étais bavard. I was very chatty when I was young. Okay, j'étais bavard. So you will translate this as I used to be. I used to be chatty. That's the first difference. J'ai été is never going to be a past habit. Okay? Then j'étais is also descriptive. Okay? So yes, when you say I was chatty, I used to be chatty. But let's take the example of being sick. J'étais malade. I was sick. Hier, j'étais malade. Yesterday, I was sick. So, what is going to be the difference? First of all, you will never be able to say something like j'ai été bavard. This makes no sense because this is not descriptive. Okay? So this, you cannot say that. All right? Now, what is j'ai été? J'ai été is an action. Yes, have been is an action. So when this one actually means I was, this one here means I have been. Let's take a look at this. J'étais malade. I was sick. I can say j'ai été malade. Have been sick. This can also be I was sick. And if you say j'étais malade, if you say j'ai été malade, there is not a big difference. I think that these two are more or less the same. However, let's imagine that we use something else. We don't use malade, but we are going to use à l'hôpital, at the hospital. J'étais à l'hôpital. I was at the hospital. J'ai été à l'hôpital. What would that be? This would be I have been to the hospital. Is there a difference here? Clearly. The difference here is that when I say this, you can situate the action. So basically, you can imagine the person at the hospital, right? This is descriptive. If we say j'ai été à l'hôpital, we actually see the person getting into his car or taking a bus or getting a cab and actually going to the hospital. So you see more of the action. Okay, you see more of the action. So that's what the difference is basically. J'étais, I was. J'ai été, I have been. One is going to be a past habit, I used to, or descriptive. The other one, j'ai été, is going to be also past, but more of an action. So I have been. This is what the differences are. I hope that this kind of helped. I know it's a very sensitive actually topic. J'étais and j'ai été. Sometimes they are similar, sometimes they are different. But if you want to say I have been, basically, you should say j'ai été all the time. Okay, so hope you understood that. And if you have any questions, let me know. I will be glad to answer. Okay, bye.